Here we're given a curve as being y equals 2x cubed, cubic function, and we're asked to find the points, and please notice points, at which the tangents have a gradient equal to 24. We're then asked to find the equation of these tangents in the form y equals mx plus c. Now we're given the gradient, so we must have some way of working back from that to get the x coordinate of the points where my gradient is equal to 24. So we need a formula for finding gradient. In this case, again, we're using the y by dx notation. So differentiating my original function gives me 6x squared. Now we're told that the gradient is equal to 24. So we've got a formula for finding the gradient, so we make that formula equal to 24. So 6x squared equals 24. Dividing both sides by 6 gives me x squared equal to 4. Taking the square root gives me x equal to 2, or x equal to negative 2. So we know the x coordinate of both points where my gradient of the tangent is equal to 24. The x coordinate of both points are 2 and negative 2. We now have to find the y coordinate of both these points. Going back to our original function, we substitute x equals to 2 and x equal to negative 2 into our original function to get the y coordinates. So doing that would give me y equals 16 and y equal to negative 16. So the tangent points are 2, 16 and negative 2, negative 16, and the tangent to the curve at both these points has a gradient of 24. To get the equation of any straight line, we need two things: a point on the line, which we have, and the gradient of the line, which we have. So we're going to substitute both points into y minus b equals mx minus a, where b is the y coordinate of my tangent point, a is the x coordinate, and m is 24. So taking the point 2, 16 first gives me y minus 16 equals 24 times x minus 2. Rearranging that gives me y equals 24x minus 32. So that's the equation of the line for the tangent point 2, 16. Now considering minus 2 minus 16, putting that into y minus b equals mx minus a. Being careful with the negatives and rearranging would give me y equals 24x plus 32. So that's the equation of the second tangent line for the tangent point negative 2, negative 16. As a picture, we have found both equations of both tangent lines shown.